Is your iCloud email stuck and not updating on your iPhone or iPad? When iCloud Mail stops syncing on your iOS device, it can leave you completely disconnected from important communications. And the worst part is, you might not even realize you're missing emails. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to diagnose and fix iCloud email syncing problems on your iPhone or iPad with proven solutions that actually work. And if you need additional help, get quick help by calling the numbers on the screen. Now, let's begin with the solution. First of all, you should open Settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll all the way down to the Apps and tap on it. Next, search for Mail and select it. Now, tap on the Mail Account option. Go ahead and tap on the iCloud option. You should tap on the iCloud once again. When you're on this page, tap on See All. Now, select iCloud Mail. Then, you need to toggle off the Use on this iPhone option and turn it back on after some time. Now, check if your problem has been resolved. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.